front seat. Oh, that's what a waste.
Welcome back, riders. We hope you enjoyed your ride on Iron Gwazi. Please lift up on your lap bar and unbuckle your seatbelt. Collect all personal belongings and exit quickly and carefully to your right. Thank you for riding Iron Gwazi and have fun during the rest of your day at Busch Gardens. Please step carefully but quickly into the seat that's directly in front of you. Once seated, secure loose articles in the zippered pouch behind your legs and fasten your seatbelt. Please do not attempt to pull down on the lap bar at this time. Please pull down on your lap bar and secure it firmly to your legs. During your ride, please remain seated, keeping your hands, arms, and legs down and inside the train at all times.
Been on it so long. That was good.
That was one of the best rides ever.
We got up there and the sun's blinding me. Yeah, I love that drop. Nothing's gonna change that drop. That is good. Wow. I love roller coasters, like so much. Great.
Welcome back, riders. We hope you enjoyed your ride on Iron Gwazi. Please lift up on your lap bar and unbuckle your seatbelt. Collect all personal belongings and exit quickly and carefully to your right. Thank you for riding Iron Gwazi and have fun during the rest of your day at Busch Gardens.